I didn't actually, well, I was busy on the phone, but I was watching Greg Gutfeld, this show right here. And once again, as I said the other day, when it got to the end, I don't know if it was underwater Chinese knitting, Indonesian washing machine repair with no words, or some kind of fucking stupid goddamn fucking child's video game where everybody going Ebonics and go,
good evening, everyone.
Why the fuck do they put that bullshit
near the White House? And the man
on this fucking
still lived there.
app? I don't care where you live on this earth. Nobody wants to see a Chinese woman making a fucking yard dog.
Flight had to return to the gate.
God damn you motherfuckers.
Naked.